Hey, what's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another unboxing and review video. Very small box, but this is going to be for the Manscaped Shears 2.0. And you're like, Manscaped makes shears? That's exactly what I said, but they're actually expanding their inventory of their repertoire. And they have colognes, they have boxers, which I love. They, of course, have the Manscaped 3.0 Lawn Mower, which I use all the time. Great trimmer. And so I like to get my hands on their newest items. Stay tuned for their nose and ear trimmer. I'm trying to get my hands on that one as well, but that's been sold out. That's a hot product, so stay tuned for that video. So this is going to be a grooming accessory for your nails. It comes with a file, it comes with scissors, and it also comes with tweezers, so you're taking care of all your grooming needs. If you got a couple gnarly little hairs sticking around somewhere, pluck them off a little bit. If you need to trim the nails, you need to trim the toenails before the gym, and I highly recommend keeping it short and trim, especially if you're doing kickboxing or boxing like I do. We're in there with our feet exposed, and you don't want any bird claw type nails, you know what I'm saying? Trust me, you know who you are, or I hope you know who you are. You don't want to be running around doing kickboxing class, doing Muay Thai sparring, and catch somebody's toenail right to the face and get scraped up. So let's get it out of the box and let's see what we got inside. All right, so it does come with this really nice case, so let's go ahead and get it out. And if you guys want 20% off your order, that's including all of their products and free shipping, use my code right below. You'll see the link and use that for 20% off your order, including free shipping. Grab yourself a pair of boxers and one of these and check out their other products as well. So this is it right here. Nice leather with a stainless steel little buckle, and that is magnetic there. As we lift it up, check that bad boy out. Manscaped is making some great products, guys. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the repertoire. So we have a nice little, again, stainless steel, and this slips in there with a little pull-out holder there. So let's just go ahead and get rid of that real quickly here, and we'll take a closer look at the file here. That is double-sided, and you also have some nice little grips here. Double-sided file, get in there. And speaking of which, I need to do the edges here. Mine get all nasty right through there as well, especially with the weather. Cuticle. All right, next up is going to be the scissors. Those are going to be able to trim up some of those gnarly unibrows. You guys know what I'm talking about. Next up is going to be the tweezers. And these are all stainless steel. And these have some nice ends to them there to be able to grab a hold of those gnarly little hairs there. Very nice. Next up, we have ourselves the Manscaped Trimmer here, which looks a lot different than I normally am used to. So let's go ahead and take a little look-see at it. Nice Manscaped logo right there. And it flips up from the back here, flips up this way. Ooh, that's kind of cool. I like that. And a little trigger here. What's this? Is that just the thing that goes down? Oh, let's see here. Oh, okay. Nice. Okay, so this is our little thing that goes clip, clip, clip. And then when we're done clip, clip, clipping, I think you just fold it back up. Like that there, okay. So once you pull that up, then that goes all the way down, and then you clip, 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 so it's nice and flat as well. That's cool. You're like, Chris, but how does it work? Well, my nails are short, but let's go ahead and see here. Nice, okay. One clip and it's done. All right, let's go check this one out here. Again, sorry, they're short, but I'm clipping one clip through. I like what I'm seeing. Okay, there we go. Hey, all right, we got ourselves some nice clipping there. I'm gonna try to get this shot here, but what's nice about these shears, the scissors I should say, is that when you're traveling, you're probably not gonna be traveling with a full pair of scissors. Number one, if you're using a carry-on, you can't. They're gonna take those away from you. But what's nice is that they will not take away something like this if it's in your ditty bag, and you just kind of trim those curly cues that on your beard that kind of go pop, you know? And obviously I'm waiting for the nose and ear trimmer, but if you really wanted to get crazy, you can get on in there and snip away, you know? But I am waiting for their nose and ear trimmer, not to mention, let's say, a little eyebrow hair that is not in the proper spot. Nice. And then of course, next up is gonna be our tweezers. And I already shaved my beard, but sometimes you get one, ow, still on the cheek. And what's nice is these bad boys grab, ow, very nice, where they're brand new and extra sharp. You know how the dull ones, sometimes you're yanking at it like 5 times and you're like, okay, that hurt. I didn't want to redo that like 17 times. Again, get a little unibrow. My eyebrows are blonde, but you guys know what I'm talking about. You folks with darker hair. All right, here's one right here, a little small guy. Let's see if I can get him here. Boom, first try. Nice. Nice tweezers. And lastly, the nail file here. Go ahead and go get that bad boy nice and round. Especially with product reviews. Now, obviously, I do need to do my cuticles as well, but I do show my nails up close sometimes. And I don't typically go and get manicures, so this is nice to be able to round those suckers up to make them look really nice. Not to mention dig a little bit of junk out of there, because obviously I do play Frisbee disc golf, and sometimes I pick my disc up out of the mud. Let's get those bad boys nice and rounded, as we can see there, looking good. With your other goodies here, slam that shut and see how small that is. Take that with you wherever you're going on your travels for work, pleasure. Again, guys, look in the description box below for the link. Use my code, 20% off your entire order. That goes for the Manscaped 3.0 Lawnmower Trimmer as well, including free shipping. So get your hands on one of these. And again, the boxers, I love their boxers. We'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.